Welcome to EMDESK Tutorials. Today, I'll be showing you how to invite users into your EMDESK project. Let's get started. Before going into how to invite users, it is important to know that you must either be an admin or manager of the project in order to have the ability to invite new users. Users can get access by either being invited by email or by requesting access when visiting a project-specific URL. Any person with an email address can be invited to a project. If this person does not already have an EMDESK account, then they will be asked to sign up before entering into a project. Now, we will invite a new user. First, click the Users section on the left side in the Home menu. Then, select the Invite New User button at the bottom left of the screen. The Invite New Team Members to the Project panel will display. There, you will be able to input the email addresses of people with whom you would like to join the project. Then enter a personal message that explains why they are receiving this email with a link. Finally, click the Invite button to send the email invite. The invited users will now be listed in the User section as pending until the invite is accepted by the user. This also applies for anyone who has requested access to the project. You can see whether a user is invited or has requested access to the project by hovering over the I next to their email address. The invitee will receive an invitation from EMDESK in their email, and by clicking Let's Go or the link under it, they will be led to the sign-in page with a note on the side that they have been invited. The link for the project invitation is only valid for 7 days. Then, you will need to send a new invite link. In the case the invitation expires or the new user didn't receive the invitation email, you can resend the invite here, or choose to send the invitation link using your email client.
EMDESK. Focus on research, drive innovation.